again. If you ever want to see your face, just press that little. But don't do it. Okay. Wait till the smoke bomb is done.
Okay, guys, we're gonna lit this thing. So yeah, shallow.
One more time.
Yeah, we're gonna do it one more time. One more time. One more.
Just like the last time, we're gonna do it on.
One more time, and then we're gonna get onto the Oobleck. Okay, ready? So here we go.
Get 1,000 likes if we do.
Okay, get
10 more.
Let's see. Let's see if we can hit that. Let's see if we can hit 50 likes, 50,000 likes, so we can. Huh? 50. Let's see if we can hit 50 likes to see another video.
No, about this.
About that. So,
Well, but that's gonna be on July 4th.
Yeah, 4th of July.
4th of July. I said it backwards. Boom. we can edit stuff. You know how to edit? I'm gonna put one of the videos there.
oh my God. Wait, at the end of the video.
Whoa! Chase the weird.
Look at it,
How
guys.
much did you? How much? Oh my God.
Wait.
Alex.
Hold on. Find the fork. Find the fork. Oh, okay. It's right here.
Guys,
I'm on it.
Alex.
No, we're gonna mix it with the fork. Actually, no. Let's both mix it. Oh wait.
We're about to mix it.
Hold it. Ready?
Okay. So,
No.
wait, hold on.
3, 2,
1, go! Okay,
Oh,
so
it's Oobleck. No. Oh, let your hand sink in it and then mix it like very slowly.
for night,
It's
jetpacks
hard.
update for
I can't
you.
get my hand out.
Okay, so guys, we are gonna be watching these two people.
Oh God, look how heavy my hand.
like you have blood.
I look like I have blood.
Alex.
Murder,
Oh, that looks so cool.
murder. Okay,
I am a murderer.
yeah.
Hey, Anthony, show him this. Show him this.
No, this-
Alex,
oh,
move.
no, more.
Artist, artist.
Done. Take a picture. No, it looks like it's an art.
Shout.
You got it?
Oh, Alex, at the end of the video, we should say which days we're posting, so when we're posting
We
videos,
can't post like.
when we're gonna make videos.
Yeah.
You should say like every Monday to Saturday.
Okay, ready? Last day. Who's last day?
It says Saturday.
Oh, Saturday.
Yeah, you try to say Saturday and Friday at the same time.
No, I said like every Friday, Saturday,
Fun day.
fun day.
Can you
No.
get that off of me?
Monday, fun day.
Stop it.
Okay, so guys,
No, get this out.
oh, you guys want to
It's
see
not
the
fair.
bucket before they put back that? Okay, you guys want to see that, this, and say, or
In
that?
the
What do you
description if
think?
you want to see this again.
Yeah, link
We
in
might
the
make it,
description
but-
down below if you guys want to say it again, or you
We
guys.
don't have a link in the description down below. We're saying comment down below.
Okay, comment down below if.
Because we don't have a link. We don't know how to do that yet.
Okay, so comment down below if you guys want to see this again, or you guys want to
But we're gonna do different. Oh,
We'll do different colors.
We're gonna do.
Alex, it's leaking.
Whoa,
Alex,
It's linking. It's linking.
If you guys want to see it up close, look at this. It looks like mercury.
No,
Oh,
no.
God. Look at this. Up close. Up close. Insurance.
Whoa.
Right, oh, got it. No, look at that. Look at that.
Oh, guys.
Okay.
Okay, 50 likes.
Alex, what's your leopard? I mean,
What's a leprechaun?
No, I'm just kidding. Okay.
YouTube channel
Whoa,
name?
whoa, 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 whoa.
What's your YouTube?
Yeah, what's your YouTube channel name, Alex?
Well, on.
So my friends can see it.
Yeah, we don't have a channel.
Not yet. We're just making videos.
Yeah. You can
Okay.
make videos free.
I thought you had the itch and screen.
Can I-
gaming.
No, that's on
Can I
that's
show my
on-
face?
It's on my.
Can I show my face?
Yeah. Press the thing where it
Yeah,
says the.
So guys, this is one. And yeah.
Yeah, he's the
I'm-
cameraman.
Yeah, I'm the cameraman, and so you guys.
I'm a sister.
No, you're not.
Can
I'm just kidding.
He's not.
We're
recording. We're all
Okay.
talking.
Yeah, we just pretend.
Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna go back to the views. So yeah, now we're back. Hello.
We're all friends.
Oh wait,
We're all friends.
I'm gonna go back.
You guys all saw me already, so you guys.
But wait, no.
Cool. Oh my God! Look at this! Look at this! Look at
Wait, I
this!
need to get it.
Stress ball! Stress ball!
Oh God, don't get close to me, kid. Okay, but
Oh God! Turn the water! No!
50 likes.
Stop.
50
your hands
50 likes.
Please, YouTube, do not block this. Even though it's not even real murder, I got blood on my hand.
Okay, but then, if you guys want to see this, you guys comment down below if you guys want to
See this again.
No, not see this again. Well, you guys,
But I'll tell you something. You got to shout out to Tankur.
No, not him.
Yes, he's the best booga booga player in my life.
Oh yeah, guys. Oh yeah, one more shout out to Jacob123. He's like
No shout outs. Never mind. No, we can only do it to YouTubers. Because no one actually liked us.
Wait, guys.
Okay, shout out to
you can only shout out YouTubers so that they know, because they don't know.
Hey,
Shout out to big booty.
Big booty. Big booty.
I say shout out to Little Club because they showed me how to play Roblox.
Shout out to Lil Club because they show her how to play Roblox. Hey, just in case.
Hey, comment down below.
Click the comments. What's your name?
Oh yeah.
Do the comments. What's your name? Roblox. Booga booga. So that we can.
Join you and friend you.
Okay.
No.
You guys want to see the
emerald armor? Because I have like 2,000 emeralds.
No, I can friend you.
Okay.
No,
so
that's too mean.
okay, how about
friend them. That would be
and then put it in the comments or whatever to if you guys want to see us make a slime or fluffy slime.
If you play Fortnite.
Yeah, put it in the comments if you say.
don't play Fortnite.
Put hashtag Fortnite.
Hashtag Fortnite. No. No. You're not supposed to say that. We don't even play Fortnite.
Is that what Jimmy does?
Well, yeah, but you're not supposed to say.
Oh, you want me to go show Jimmy's face?
No. Jeez. Why do you want to show
I'm getting that. I'm getting that on camera.
Sounds like my friend who keeps on going. That's what you do.
Hey, it's her. It's not me. It's her.
Wait, what did I do?
You done everything.
Do that.
One more time, kid. Hey.
Quiet, man. I can edit. I barely know how, or I think because I saw that thing, right?
Okay. Yeah. Oh, you got some on his hair.
No, I didn't.
No, look.
That was from earlier, dude.
Yeah, it was from earlier. I already put everything on my hair.
Oh yeah. How about this? Hi-ya.
Alex, move.
Wait, you scared me. Oh.
Oh, why me?
I don't know.
Okay.
Hey, me too.
Tell her I'm gonna wash my hands.
Yeah, mommy said it.
Tell mommy I'm gonna wash my hands first, okay?
Okay, we're gonna end this video
Wait, right
here.
now?
Tell her.
We're gonna end this video right here because
Okay.
we have to go leave.
Okay. In 3. Okay. I'll see you. We'll see you guys in the next video.
Next video, which is gonna be.
Well, we'll be.
Hey, no. Comment down below to see. Whoever.
Okay.
50
So guess what? Guess what? Okay.
Hey,
So
get away. Look. Ready?
so we will be making videos every Friday.
No, Anthony. It's my video.
Okay. Well, you say it, kid.
So we're gonna make videos every. Yeah, I think weekends, every day actually.
Every day.
Okay. So
Every day. Every time I
I'll
get.
see you in the next video.
Really, Anthony, it's not even your channel.
Okay. Hurry up.
Yay. How do I end this? Press that red button.